Use the graph of f of x equal to the absolute value of x to obtain the graph of g of x, which is the absolute value of x plus 2. In order to graph g of x, I'm going to rewrite the equation so that it matches the generical form, or the general form. So here I can rewrite g of x as 1 multiplied with the absolute value of x plus 2, and then we're going to add a 0. I'm emphasizing the 1 since I have no other leading coefficient, and then since we don't have a k value, I'm just emphasizing that I'm adding by 0. By doing this, now I can match each variable with a specific quantity. My a value is going to be 1, and that's going to be the slope. 2 is going to be my h value, and k is going to be 0. Now that I have h and k, I can begin to plot the vertex. Here, we're basically getting the opposite value of what we see. That only happens for h. For k, we grab whatever is here. Since we have a positive 2, my vertex is going to begin at negative 2, and then I'm going to grab the k value, which is 0. So let's go ahead and plot that. So at negative 2, 0, I'm going to step 2 units to the left of the origin. So negative 2 is right here. And since I'm not going up, I'm not going down, I'm staying at 0. I'm going to plot right there. That is my vertex. And now, beginning at the vertex, I'm going to use this slope, which is 1. Since I don't have a denominator, I'm going to go up 1 to the right 1. And that's just going to give me all of the diagonals to my vertex here. The last step is to reflect all of these points. And in order to do that, I'm going to emphasize the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is the vertical line that cuts through my vertex. And now I'm going to begin to reflect each point one by one. Notice that the first point is 1 distance away from the line of symmetry, so the reflection has to also be 1 distance away. My second point is 2 distances away, so the reflection has to be 2 distances away. And if I keep doing this, I'm going to get the diagonals here. Connecting all of the points, I now have a sketch of g of x, which is the absolute value of x plus 2.